Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
In this lecture, we are going to read function with parameter. In last lecture, we have read the function without a parameter. In this lecture, we are going to read function with parameter. So simple, create a function with func keyword and then display with a message of string type, message, string type. This is our function. Here we are displaying the message which we are passing through the parameter msg. Okay, again we are calling a display method, but right now with message, this is calling display function with parameters. Okay, again run this function, and now the first function display will call this method. I am simple function in Kotlin, and this display with parameter, we're passing msg as a parameter in this function. This function is going to call this. This is calling display function with parameter because we are passing a parameter from here to this function. Okay, this is the function with parameter in Kotlin. See you in next lecture, in which we will read function with return value.